In this tutorial, we will configure the core settings of your exam. This includes timing, device authorization, onboarding instructions, candidate onboarding fields, and custom grading rules. Let's start from the Exam Builder dashboard. Click on the Setup tab at the top of the screen. This page is structured into expandable setting cards. Let's look at the first section, Basic Info. Exam Code. This is the unique auto-generated identifier for your exam. Category. If you have created exam categories like midterms or hiring, select the appropriate category from the drop-down. Preferred nomenclature. We understand that different institutions call their exams something else, so you customize how the system refers to this exam. You can choose any from the following: exam, test, quiz, assessment, or evaluation. Description and tags. Enter a brief summary and comma-separated tags to keep your library organized. 2. Host configuration and device restrictions. Ensure the exam is only run from authorized environments, like a physical computer lab or specific school computers. You can configure device locks. On the host configuration card, you will find the following settings. A. Host mode. Choose between online and offline. Set it to online for now. Offline feature is coming soon. B. Authorize host devices by. Select how you want to verify host devices. Host devices are devices from where the exam will be conducted. You can choose passcode. Require a passcode from host devices. IP address. Only allow devices connecting from a whitelist of IP addresses, like your school network. Passcode and IP address. Enable both for maximum physical test security. No restrictions. Allow candidates or coordinators to launch the exam from any device. Availability and duration settings. Configure when candidates can access the exam and how much time they have to complete it. On the availability card, you will find the following settings. Availability type. Set the scheduling window. Choose always available for self-paced practice tests, or choose available between to restrict access to a specific day and time. Start and end dates. Enter the date and exact time, hours, and minutes when the exam system will open and close. On the duration card, you will find the following settings. Duration type. You can choose whole exam to give candidates a pool of time for the entire test. Per question to allocate a specific amount of seconds or minutes for each question individually. B. Allow inter-page navigation. You can toggle this on to let candidates navigate back and forth between questions, or toggle off to lock their path to a forward-only flow. This setting only works if duration type is set to whole exam. 4. Pre-exam onboarding and instructions. Before candidates begin typing, you can show them instructions or request additional registration fields. On the Before Exam Settings card, you will find the following settings. Show instructions. Toggle this on to display a welcome screen before the exam begins. Start page instructions. Type your examination rules and guidelines in this rich text editor. Require passport upload. Toggle this on to require candidates to capture their face via a webcam or upload an ID card before they can proceed. Request respondents info. Click plus add field to build custom registration questions like phone number or department. Mark them as required to ensure you gather complete profile details. During exam settings. The During Exam card controls how candidates experience the exam while it is running. Here you can find the following: page flow. Choose how questions are presented to candidates. One by one, candidates see one question at a time and navigate forward or back if allowed. All at once, all questions are shown on a single scrollable page. B. Resumable. Toggle this on to allow candidates to resume the exam if their session is accidentally disrupted. When enabled, you can also set the maximum number of resumptions between 1 and 3. This option is only available when page flow is set to 1 by 1. C. Shuffle questions. Toggle on to randomize the order of questions for each candidate, reducing the chance of copying. D. Shuffle choices/options. Toggle on to randomize the order of answer options for each question. E. Show question points. Toggle on to display the point value of each question to candidates during the exam. F. Show question category. Toggle on to display the category tag of each question to candidates. 6. After exam settings. The After Exam card controls what happens immediately after a candidate submits their answers. On the After Exam Settings card, you will find the following settings. A. Collect reviews from respondent. Toggle this on to prompt candidates to leave a star rating or written review after they finish the exam. This can help you gather feedback on exam quality. B. On finish, select what happens when a candidate clicks the Submit button. Redirect to external website. Redirects the candidate to a URL you specify, e.g. your school website or a feedback form. Enter the full URL in the redirect to field that appears. Nothing else, simply submits the exam without showing results or redirecting. Show Result immediately shows the candidate their score and results page. If Show Result is selected, a sub-option appears. Show Correct Answer plus Explanations in Result View. Toggle this on to reveal the correct answers and any explanations you wrote for each question in the results. Note, if your exam contains essay questions and you select Show Result, make sure AI essay auto-grading is enabled in the grading section, otherwise results will be incomplete. 7. Grading configuration. The grading card lets you define how scores are calculated and displayed, including AI grading and letter grade systems. Here you will find the following settings. AI essay auto-grading. Toggle this on to enable automatic AI-powered grading for any essay questions in this exam. When enabled, the system will attempt to grade essay responses without manual review. This is a credit-deductible feature and will contribute to the cumulative credit cost per respondent at activation. B. Grade Score By. Choose the scoring unit shown in results. Pass mark. Enter the minimum score a candidate needs to pass. The unit matches your grade score by selection % or PTS. D. Enable letter grading. Toggle this on to assign letter grades like A, B, C, D, F to score ranges. When enabled, a letter grading table appears. Each row represents one letter grade with a label e.g. A, an upper limit and a lower limit. Grades must be continuous with no gaps between ranges. You need at least 2 letter grades defined. Use the Add Grade button to add new rows and the trash icon to remove them. 8. Proctoring and Invigilation. The Proctoring and Invigilation card lets you enforce anti-cheating rules during the exam session. These are controls that restrict what candidates can do on their devices while the exam is running. The currently available controls are grouped under Honest Response Rules. A. Disallow special key S combinations. Blocks keyboard shortcuts like Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V, Alt+Tab, and similar combinations that could be used to copy content or switch windows. B. Enforce full screen mode. Forces the exam browser into full screen mode. If the candidate exits full screen, an incident is logged. C. No copy-paste. Disables the ability to copy text from or paste text into the exam interface. D. No switching tabs. Prevents candidates from opening or switching to other browser tabs during the exam. E. No right-click. Disables the browser right-click context menu during the exam session. 9. Accessories. The Accessories card lets you provide optional in-browser tools that candidates can use during the exam. On the Accessories settings card, you will find the following settings. On-screen calculator. Toggle this on to embed a calculator widget inside the exam interface. This is useful for numerical, financial, or science-based exams where candidates need arithmetic support without leaving the exam window. 10. Certificates. The Certificates card lets you configure automatic certificate issuance for candidates who pass the exam. Here you will find the following settings. Award certificate. Toggle this on to automatically generate and award a digital certificate to every candidate who achieves a passing score. Certificate templates. Once award certificate is enabled, a drop-down appears. Select the certificate template you want to use. Your available templates are pulled from the Certificates add-on module. Click the Certificates link at the top right of the card to open the Certificates module in a new tab where you can create or manage your templates. A live thumbnail preview of the selected template will appear below the drop-down, so you can confirm you have the right design before saving. Tip: to create or customize certificate designs, navigate to Template Certificates at the Control Center. The branding card lets you customize the visual identity of the exam login page that candidates see before they enter the exam session. Here, you will find the following settings. Custom logo. Toggle this on to replace the default Examhall logo with your own organization's logo on the exam login page. Once enabled, click the image upload area to select a logo from your media gallery. Custom CBT landing page image. Toggle this on to set a custom hero or background image on the exam's CBT login landing page. This is useful for adding school crests, event banners, or branded imagery. Once enabled, click the image upload area to select an image from your media gallery. Tip: use high-resolution images at least 800 x 600 px for the best appearance on all screen sizes. 12. Floating controls. Just like the Questions tab, the Overview tab has 2 floating controls pinned to the bottom of the page Quick Navigator. This can be found on the bottom left. Use this button to open a quick jump panel to instantly scroll to any subsection. Save button. This can be found on the bottom right. After any changes, click Save to persist your changes.